our heroes past shall not be in vain. The party that cuts across all spheres of life, the common man, businesswoman, industrialist and religious people in the society, is the Labour Party. It's time for workers to take their future in their own hands.
Register and join a party of social democrats.
The party that determines to secure yourself, your children's future, guarantee jobs and lasting protection for lives and property is the Labour Party.
It is the right of the worker to be paid his wages as an own due. It is the right of the worker to be compensated. It is the right of the teacher to be recognized. It is the right of the nurses and midwives to be recognized. It is the right of the local government worker to be acknowledged for his contributions to rural development.
Join the Labour Party movement all time. Registration of new members is now going on in all 3,210 polling units in Ogun states.
The party is founded on the ideas of social democracy.
This is the greatest Labour Party movement of all.